back to my channel, and today I'm back with another bag review, and this time it's one of my favorite bags from Saint Laurent, and the bag is the Toy Lulu. Yes, it is such a pretty bag from Saint Laurent. I think anybody who's eyeing a bag from Saint Laurent will definitely check out their Lulu line. As you know, the Lulu line has all different sizes. So they have a large size, a medium size, a small, and this is the smallest size, which is the mini size, which they call as toy. As you know, I am somebody who carries very small bags. I don't like carrying a lot of stuff. So that's why I went for a toy version of the bag. But if you are somebody who carry more stuff on a day-to-day basis, then you can check out their other versions of the bag as well. So let's start with the color first. I went for the basic black, as you can see, with silver accents. Reason being, I was looking for something which is more of a casual bag. So I feel if it's gold accents, then it adds a bit of more formal and elegant look to the bag, but I was looking for more casual wear. That is why I went with the silver hardware with the black. This bag comes in many different colors, from beige to white to pink to any color that you can think of. So if you have any particular color in mind, you can definitely check their website on. This is my first bag that I got from Saint Laurent. I think when it came in the market, it was so popular so quickly that everybody thought that it'll just be a trend and then fade away. But actually it went through the test of time and stayed for years and years. And at this point, it has become such a classic. I think the Lulu line is such a classic from Saint Laurent. I think everybody eyes for it and everybody wants to have a hand on this line because it has become so popular as well as classic. Have their website open. This bag is currently retailing for 1665 Canadian dollars plus taxes. So yeah, the price has increased for sure. I think last year it was 1500 something. So yeah, I mean, it's bound to happen that the price is going to increase every year. But for this particular bag, you can definitely save a couple $100, because usually on websites like Farfetch or My Teresa, you definitely get some coupon codes and you can save a couple $100. So you can check that out. I actually myself got this bag from Farfetch back in 2019, and I think I got a really good deal. I think I got the bag for 1300 something. As you can see, this bag has a shape to it, but it is very soft and squishy as well, and it has this quilted pattern all over. I like this bag because it adds a unique style of its own. It is quilted, it is soft, but it has its own shape as well. I usually prefer bags which have a shape to it, and to maintain the shape, I always put air paper inside. So make sure to stuff it with something just to be sure that it doesn't lose its shape. I keep my bags very properly because they are very, very expensive. So I don't want them to get damaged anytime soon. It's an investment for sure. So always make sure to protect them and take care of them so they don't get damaged. When it comes to the wear and tear, I've been using this bag for over a year. I think it's almost a year and a half since I own this bag, and I have taken it so many places, so many times, but I don't see any wear and tear whatsoever. As you can see, even at the bottom, like, I don't see any scratches or any kind of tearing anywhere. It pretty much looks as good as new, which I really appreciate. It might look like a small bag, but it actually fits all my essentials. I will show you in this video what all it can fit. So as you can see, it has this silver YSL logo, and then it has a magnetic button closure. Once you open the bag, then here on the top it says Saint Laurent Paris, and then there is another one inside here. It also says Saint Laurent Paris, and then inside the bag there are two compartments. It's separated by this partition, and then there are, let me see how I can show you. As you can see here, there are 3 card slots. So in case you don't want to carry a wallet, you can put your cards here. And then here at the back of it, There is a zipper as well. So in case you want to put some coins or cash or your cards, you can put there as well. So in case you don't want to carry your wallet, you can put your cards and your cash inside the bag directly. But I actually carry my key pouch always, so I don't use these slots. Alright, so it also comes with this removable strap. Let me quickly put it on so you can see. There you go. So you can wear it as a shoulder bag as well as crossbody. I'm gonna insert some pictures of me wearing it as a crossbody as well as a shoulder bag so that you can get an idea. The strap drop is 22 inches, which is very good with my height. I am 5 feet 6 inches tall, and this lands perfectly at the right area of my body, as you can see in the pictures. When it comes to the pros of the bag, I feel it is very, very lightweight, which I really like about the bag. Like sometimes the bag on its own, because of its structure, gets very heavy, and then you put your stuff and it makes the bag even more heavier, and then you can feel it on your shoulder when you're holding the bag for longer hours. On its own, this bag is very, very light. It's not at all heavy, so when you put your stuff, it's reasonably not that heavy, so I really appreciate that about the bag. It's a great casual bag. You can take it for like a casual lunch or brunch, walk at the park or beach. This is very, very good and very durable as well. The only thing that I don't like about the bag is the strap. I feel the strap is very, very flimsy. They have made it very, very thin. I'm not a fan of it as such. I do use it, but still I think they could have made the strap better than this. But other than that, I really like this bag. Also, I wanted to show you, I got this metallic chain. I think I got it off of Etsy or Amazon, one of those. It's a beautiful silver chain, and sometimes I put the bag with this silver chain instead of the strap that it comes with, just to add that accent to it. So this really complements well with the bag, as you can see. And I will also insert some pictures me wearing it as a shoulder bag as well as crossbody with the chain strap, so that you can have a look. This definitely helps because this is a removable strap, so you can dress it up with something else of your choice. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna quickly show you what all it can fit so that you can get an idea. Alright, the first thing that I put is my phone, so I'm gonna put it here in the front slot. There. And then I always carry my Louis Vuitton key pouch. I recently put a review for this pouch. In case you want to check it out, it's up on my channel. So I'm gonna put it at the back slot here, and it fits properly, as you can see. Next, I am a fanatic of a lip balm. I will always carry a lip balm, and in case I'm wearing a lipstick, I will definitely carry a lipstick as well. So these two as well. I'm gonna put them on this side here, like that. Then another thing that I always carry is my AirPods. I never go without them because I love listening to music. So I'm gonna put it in the front slot as well. As you can see, so far it fits a lot. Actually, the bag can fit a lot. And the last thing is my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. This is a great powder in case you want to touch up in the day. Then you can definitely try this out. So I always carry this powder with me. I'm gonna just put it in the side here. As you can see, here is my key pouch and my lipstick, lip balm, my AirPod, powder, and my phone. And this all perfectly fits inside, as you can see. So this is a perfect everyday bag for me. This is all what I need to carry, and it fits it properly. And because it is not heavy on its own, that helps a lot, because when you're putting your stuff, obviously the bag gets heavier. On its own, if the bag is not heavy, that helps a lot, and this bag is not. So the design of the bag is soft and squishy. It helps because then the bag can stretch and you can put more stuff in the bag. I personally feel this can be a great first designer bag for anybody who wants to start their designer bag collection. This is a classic. This will never go out of style. Also, you can make such good usage of this bag time and time over and over again. It's a great crossbody option as well. There's a lot of space in the bag, and also you can go for higher sizes in case you want to carry more. So as you can see, I am definitely recommending this bag to you guys. If you are someone like me who wants to collect bags which are classics and not just trends, you definitely have to check the Loulou line from Saint Laurent. I think it's the most beautiful line from them. And as you could see, after using it for a year and a half, still the bag looks as good as new. So this is very durable bag as well, and you can make a lot of usage out of it. I definitely recommend to check this out. Alright guys, so this completes the review. In case you have any further questions about the bag, you can comment in the comment section down below and I'll for sure come back to you with a response. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back very soon with one of my most favorite bags from Louis Vuitton. So stay tuned. And until next time, bye guys.